Hello, welcome back to Design Tech Hub YouTube channel, and welcome to another episode of an amazing video. In today's tutorial video, I will be showing you how I created this beautiful body flyer using Pixellab on my smartphone. But before we dive into today's tutorial video, if you are new to this YouTube channel, if this is your first time watching a video from this YouTube channel, please do well by clicking on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing content. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the tutorial video. So yeah, the first thing which would be done in creating the body flyer is changing the size of our design. So to do that, we just have to click on this, then click on image size here. Then the size for designing this is 1280 1024 by 1280. This is the size which will be used. 1024 for width and 1280 for height. So this is the size which will be used in creating the body flyer. So after making the size like this, the next thing is to import the background which will be used. So moving on to this three dots here, which is at the top here. So I'll click on this, then click on use image from gallery and select the image. So this is the image which will be used in creating the background and creating this body flyer. This is the background which will be used. So the next thing, note all the resources used in this video. The link to download them will be placed in the video description, so you can get to download every resources used in this video. While watching this video, please like this video so that the algorithm can push the video to more viewers who may also be interested in knowing how to create body flyer using the Pixellab on the smartphone. So yeah, the next thing which will be done is importing the celebrant image. So yeah, I will have to click on the plus icon here, then click on from gallery. Then I will have to browse for this image. So yeah, this image, so I will have to increase the size for this, then place it here. Then after importing the image like this, the next thing which will be done is moving on to my shape. I'm going to create a white shape. So I'm going to create the shape like this, resize the shape. The shape is going to be resized. Then I'll move on to rotate here. Then I'm going to rotate this. This will be placed here. So this will be placed here. So just like that. Let's increase the size for this image. So yeah, this image will be placed here. So after that, I will have to import another image. So after importing the image, creating this white background, this white shape, I'll have to import another image from my gallery. So yeah, this image. Looking at this image, it is facing the left hand side. So I want this image to be facing the right hand side. So I will just have to click on this, click on the rotate icon here. So it's going to rotate the image from the left hand side, from facing the left hand side to facing the right hand side, which has just been done now. So like this. So this image will be placed here. It will be placed here. So the image will be placed here like this. So the image will be placed here. So we are going to create a shadow. A shadow is going to be created. So yeah, I'm going to move to the shape here. So to the shape here, increase the radius of this to 100 to form a circle shape. Reduce the opacity. Increase the stroke width to 24, which is the maximum level. I'm going to reduce this shape this is going to be reduced. You reduce it to the extent that there will not be any circle in between the strokes. Then move on to blur radius to increase the blur radius to its maximum level, which is 24. So we increase this to its maximum level, 25 rather. So like this, I will increase this. Then move on to 3D rotate here to rotate this a little bit. Then it will be placed beneath this shape here. So it will be placed here. So it will be beneath this shape here. Then we have to reduce the opacity a little bit. Then reduce the opacity a little bit, just like this. Then moving on the design, I'm going to be importing another image. So this image, so yeah, this will be here. So this will be placed here like this. Then we will be creating a text. Yeah, so we will be creating a text here, which is happy, glorious. Yeah, then move on to font to change the font of this. The font for this, let's try Monster and Semi-Bold. Change this to capital letter. It should be capital letter also. Then change the color to black. We will be placing this here. Reduce the size of the text and then increase the spacing. Then we are going to rotate this a little bit. Reduce the size of this a little bit. Yeah. So just like this, happy glorious birthday. Then moving on, we are going to create the celebrant, the name of the celebrant. So yeah, I'm going to create a shape like this. Then change the color of this shape. Yeah, the color of this shape, I'm going to use create a new color. So I'm going to click on the plus icon here, then use the color picker here to select a color from the background. So yeah, the color is going to be coming from the background here, so something like this. like this. So that is for the name of the celebrant. Then the next thing after this is to bring in an image. So like this, I'm going to bring in this image here. So this will be here, like this will be here. So yeah, after we brought in this flower image, the next thing to be done is I'm going to move on to text to create a new text, which is live long and prosper. So like this. Then I'll move on to font to change the font for this. The font which would be used for this is Ivory Coast. So I'm going to change the font Ivory Coast. So this is the font which would be used. Then I'm going to move on to line spacing to reduce the line in between and reduce the size of the text as well. So this will be placed here, and its opacity will be reduced a little bit like this. So yeah, this will be here. Then by the date of the celebrant, we have to create the circle shape here. So a circle shape like this. Then change the color of this. This will be here. So yeah, this will be here. Then another circle shape, I'm going to just copy this, change the color of this to this, and then reduce it a little bit. So this is going to be reduced a little bit and then placed on this. So just like this will be placed here. Then we are going to create the date. So move on to text, create a new text, and this is going to be 13th May. And for the font here, the font for this is Mustard black is okay. So I'm going to reduce the line spacing between this and then place it on top of the shape here, on top of the circle shape here. Like this. So just like this, we've created this birthday flyer. Please, if you find this video helpful, you find it inspiring for your next birthday design, don't forget to like this video, subscribe on the channel, and put on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing video. Thanks for watching.